Hi, Darren Lachner here from 365 Assist. I thought I'd create a timesheeting power app, and this app is backed by Dataverse, so all the data stored is stored in the Dataverse, but I've created a Canvas app over the top of it, which is a single form Canvas app where you can enter your data, see how much time you've worked for the day and for the week, and all the breakdowns. But I've also created, to go with it, a model-driven app where you can run the administration side of it, where you can create and manage the projects part of it, and view and export all the data, timesheet data that goes with it. I tried to do a custom page, but unfortunately at this stage of recording, custom pages don't let you hold the user detail. So for each user, it wouldn't do that. So I had to split it out into a Canvas app, but hopefully when that's changed in a custom page, I can change that and build that in a custom page. So here's the demo of how it works, and I've also put it in GitHub, so if you're interested in grabbing the source yourself, you're more than welcome to take a copy and adjust it as you see fit. So I've got two apps here. One's the model-driven app and one's the Canvas. So the model-driven app is for the administration, and I'll show you that. And then there's the Canvas app where you enter the time. So let's just start in the administration side of things. So here I've already created under projects. It's just a standard model-driven app, pretty simple. At this stage I've just created two projects in there, cleaning the X-Wing and fixing the Starship. I can also put another one in here, cleaning out the TARDIS. You can see the theme here. So I've got three there, right? Just the projects. I'll come back to this administration, so you can come back to this administration. I'll come back to that in a minute. Let me there go and run the timesheet app itself. Pretty simple timesheet, just a Canvas app with one form in it, and I've got it here. So it's pretty simple. It's got a date. Everything's driven off the date here, the date field. The projects that I just put in, or have put in before, you can see the projects there. The hours worked, of how many hours you worked on that project. You can put some comments in, and across here it gives you a bit of a report about how many hours for each day and for the total of the week. And then down here, the detail of those ones that you've entered. And you can actually, if you've made a mistake, you can actually delete that record as well. One of the things I've done here is that I'm in the 22nd, but I'm going to go to next week where I've already entered some time in. I go to the 23rd and I click OK, and I can already see the ones I've put in here. So the week changes along here and adds itself up, and all the ones I've put in there. So if I wanted to put a new one in for, say, Wednesday, let's go to Wednesday the 25th. I'll select the project, cleaning out the TARDIS. Now, I can't put odd dates in here, so if I try to do 32, it needs to be from 0 to 24. So that's obviously a little error checking I've put in there, so you can do that, and you can put some comments in and hit save, and it'll put the record in here and add it to the date on the 25th there and add up the time there. So that's quite neat for the timesheet itself, and that's for a particular user. Let's just go back to the model-driven app now. So in the model-driven app, if I go to a timesheets tab here, I can now go to all the different ones that have been created per user and break it down by user. And if I wanted to, I could export that to Excel and run some reports. Or if you're really smart, you can run a Power BI report over the top of that too. So that's the app. Pretty simple to use, and I've put the source code in GitHub, so if you want to go and take a copy of it and make your own version of it and do some changes, you are more than welcome to do that.